The last thing we need to do while we're under the vehicle is to check and grease our grease fittings. Depending on the years of the model, there may be more grease fittings, but you want to simply inspect the pivot points on your steering. This particular model has a grease fitting on this top fitting here, which we're going to put grease in, but this bottom one is sealed. If it doesn't have a fitting and it's a sealed unit, you do not need to add any grease. That's a maintenance-free end right there. You just want to make sure that that does move freely. When you go to put grease in, you can use any kind of multi-purpose grease, nothing fancy, but you don't want to pump a lot of grease in. You want to watch this boot. See how it started to swell there a little bit? You don't want to pump excessive grease out of it because all that's doing is making a mess. You can see the grease coming out there. That's more than you need. And then just wipe any excess grease from the area after you added the grease, just so it doesn't collect dirt and stuff around that pivot point.